Friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 7th to the 13th, and we have a lot of fabulous deals in this flyer. As the week marches on with the different rebate apps, there might be even more fire coming out of this flyer. First thing I do want to mention, though, on a serious note, is a friend of the channel, Christie's Connection, fellow YouTuber, made a video yesterday about these different groups, specifically on Facebook, pretending to have, Dollar General penny lists and sign up for this group and hand over a bunch of money and your information. And it's actually not YouTubers or social media influencers. It's just scammers trying to get your information. So if you are on certain groups that are really big about, sign up for this group and provide some information, just be cautious about that. If you wish to watch Christie's video, she really gets into it, but they're actually targeting a lot of Walgreens shoppers as well. Okay, guys, so currently for my content, it's only on YouTube and Instagram. The YouTube page at the top, I have the official check. So if you ever get something odd, me writing to a bunch of you with some bizarre request, guess what? Always go back to hit the name and go back to the page, and mine has the check, and we broke 100,000 subscribers as well. So if you see a page with like 12 subscribers but it looks similar but it's not, you probably know you're on a scammer's page. Below that is my Instagram, and we're close to 40,000 followers down there. And yeah, these are my two official, and that is it. I am not on Facebook. I am not on Telegram. So just be very cautious about your information and who you're providing it to. Sometimes if a page, wants to offer you everything and, and then some, it's too good to be true. It's probably just that. And they're specifically targeting a lot of these penny shopper groups. Please watch Christie's video for more information on this subject, but just be careful out there, guys. Right now, 50% off of Walgreens Easter merchandise. I think by this weekend, it's supposed to hit 70 to 80% off, depending where you're living. So definitely worth walking into the store, walking to the Easter section, especially if you make elaborate baskets or you need some stuff for next year for projects or for your own home decor. Something to check out. I think it's probably going to hit about 70, my guess. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, including all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, April the 7th. If you might have a booster to throw into some of these deals, that's when these deals become freebies and moneymakers. The top comes from the Catalina machine, and the bottom one is a more than a one-time use, and it's valid throughout this week and the following week as well. The bottom one most of you should have loaded, which is a 7-back when you spend 30. Okay, the first deal we're going to look at is to do with the Cheerios. They are 2 for $5. The original price is $5.99 per box. Oh my gosh. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off of 2. Make sure you have that one loaded. And then IBOTTA is giving a very generous rebate back, which is $1 back when you buy 2. So if you can stack these two, here is the deal pour vous. Grabbing 2 of those boxes, it's $5 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back $1 from the IBOTTA rebate, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash on this offer if you're doing it with no booster. Now, the next deal that we're looking at is the Scott, and this is taking place right through the end of the month till the 27th. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion, and when you spend $35, you're getting back a $10 register reward, which is really fantastic. So the easiest way to do this is to grab 9, have your booster loaded, which is the 7-back when you spend 30, spend that 35 on your debit card, get back a $10 register reward and $7 in Walgreens cash, making it $18 for the 9 or $2 per bag of toilet paper. And this is a 12 count too. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as the offer is to spend $35 to get back that 10. That's why we're not using any Walgreens cash, because they're both spend boosters with the booster and the promotion of spend $35 to get back the $10 register reward. It's a pretty decent laundry care deal, $5.49, and when you buy 4 of these products, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. Now, I'm guessing that we're going to have $2.50 and $2 digitals that are going to apply. Grabbing a mix of the P&G laundry care, it's a $21.96 at $5.49 a pop. After your digital coupons, you're going to pay $16.96, get back one $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you might have it on your store card to pay down the balance, so you're really not feeling this one so heavily on your pocketbook. The next deal that we're looking at is with the Gillette or Venus disposable razors priced at $7.99. $8 register reward when you buy 2. We currently have 2 digital coupons for the disposable for the men and the women. So you're going to grab one of each for $15.98, subtracting $6 of digitals. You'll pay $9.98 out of pocket. Get back your $8 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per razor. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as long as you're doing this with no booster. Now we're looking at a deal with the Colgate. Let's try and find products at $4.50. We have a 4 off 2 digital and a $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these products, it'll be $9 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no boosters. Okay, so we're looking at these Pampers again this week, and the Easy Ups are included. $5 reward when you buy 3, and we also have these digital coupons, a $2 off, and then a 3 off of 2, $5 of digitals. And also check your Fetch Rewards account. Hopefully you have the same one as I. 4,000 points back per bag, which is 12,000 points. If you hear me talk about Fetch and you're like, I would like to get in on some of this sometime, check out the link in the notes. When you sign up, I think you're given an extra 1,000 points when you photograph any receipt. 1,000 points, $1. So if you have been on the fence about Fetch, check out the link in the notes. It's a great app for like little deals like this, like 12,000 points back. Yes. Here it is, guys. 3 bags of the Pampers for $31.50. Subtracting that $5 digital, you'll pay $26.50. Get back one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for an extra 12,000 points back. So $9.50 for the 3 or $3.16 per bag of Easy Ups. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. However, if you want to maximize your savings and get the most, I would recommend to use that 7 back when you spend 30. So you'd have to use your debit card for the balance, but however which way you want to go, you decide. Now we're looking at that Dove shampoo again, $3 reward when you buy 2, and we have a $2 digital coupon. There is a QR code on the back of the Dove shampoo, and Shopmium was actually recording that, saying that's why none of them will work, but if you put your thumb over that weird QR code, it scans. Who knew? 2 of the Dove shampoos for $8, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Put your thumb over that QR code and get your $2 back from Shopmium. And then you're also going to get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per shampoo. This is a fantastic stock up price, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We have another laundry care deal at $9.99. I'm seeing some liquid and pods and other things included, so I'm thinking we're going to have more than one $3 digital. Grabbing 2 of these at $19.98, subtracting $6 in digitals, you're going to pay $13.98 out of pocket. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per laundry care product. And these are the larger Gain products. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this deal with a booster. The Schick promotion is back. To spend $20, get back a $5 in Walgreens cash. We're going to have $3 on the disposable and then a $4 on like the regular shaving systems at $9.99. So grabbing 2 disposable products for $13.99, having the 2 $3 digitals loaded, probably a men and a women's, and then one of the fancier razors for $9.99. The total is $23.98. We have 2 $3 coupons for the men and women's disposable and a $4 for the fancy. That's $10 off. Pay $13.98 with your debit card and get back one or get back $5 in Walgreens cash. As the promotion is to spend 20, earn back 5, you got to pay with your debit card for the balance. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance because the promotion is a spend offer. Now let's talk quickly about some honorable mentions. The first is this $2.98 for selected Walgreens nuts. This is a very good deal for inexpensive snacks. And then a buy one get two for free on the complete home food storage bags, $2.79 for the first, and then the other two are free. It shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20 count of bags. That's a very good stock up price. If IBOTTA gives us a rebate for this with the Olay or Old Spice, this potentially could be a deal. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. And then the Secret Whole Body, we have a 10 off 2 digital. Will IBOTTA give us something back for this? That's the question. And then we have 2 for $8 with the Whole Blends and Fructis, 3 off 2 digital, but currently no deal for that. So we'll have to see if a rebate app something pops up. And Centrum, we have a $3 off coupon. Will Shop Me and have something similar on a BOGO 50% off, maybe a good deal. And then we need to see if number 7, if new coupons pop up for this. It's a $5 reward when you spend 20 or more, and we'll have to see what digitals we can line up with this one on a BOGO 50% off. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.